Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview AquaChek Biguanide Test Strips. What is AquaChek Biguanide Test Strips? Biguanide is a chlorine-free sanitizer, such as BAQUACIL Chlorine-Free Swimming Pool Sanitizer and Algistat, BaquaSpa Sanitizer, Softswim Bactericide, PolyClear. For a clean and healthy pool, test the water at each end a minimum of twice a week. Product benefits: user-friendly, easy-grip bottle with flip-top strip dispenser cap. Tests for 3 important chemistries in seconds: biguanide, total alkalinity, and pH. Usage directions: Step 1. Dip and remove the strip. Step 2. Wait 15 seconds. Step 3. Compare the total alkalinity and pH pads. Step 4. Re-dip and move the strip back and forth in water for 30 seconds. Step 5. Compare biguanide. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.